Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two human capital management systems. First one is Workday and the second one is Ceridian Dayforce. We will go through some features, some pros and cons, and at the end we will go through the evaluation, like which one is better. So let's start with Workday. Workday HCM is a human capital management system that cleverly adapts to movement and changes within businesses. It is a cloud-based HR management software that intuitively unifies an impressive array of HR duties within a single system. With functions like talent management, payroll, compensation, time tracking, workforce recruitment, and planning. Workday HCM turns out to be an innovative business manpower management system. Further, with an offering of different products to match various purposes such as spend management, analytics and reporting, tolerant management, and so forth, Workday uncomplicates the day-to-day functioning for businesses of all sizes. Moreover, being centralized around HR operations, this software helps users build flexible frameworks for their workforce to function within. A Skills Cloud feature helps users with skill management and reporting to enhance the overall search experience. Complete with functions like case management, the voice of employee, and the workforce planning, Workday has designed a user-friendly interface that manages to end-to-end business process effortlessly. As you can see, we can go even through products and the solutions by industry, by need, by organization size, and by role. By industry, there are communications, education, energy and resources, financial services, healthcare, hospitality, life sciences, manufacturing, media and entertainment, non-profits, professional and business services, public sector, retail, and technology. From every day you can see how they are going to help you manage the human capital management. For pricing plans, they have only one, and it's the custom plan. It will tailor you the offer, depends on your needs, on how big your company is and stuff like that. Otherwise, it just works like every other HCM. So you get basically your employees and you can pinpoint the actions around them. So for Ceridian. Ceridian is a global human capital management company headquartered in Toronto, Ontario, and Minneapolis, Minnesota, with operations across North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific, Japan. Ceridian's brand promise makes work life better. Is the commitment key to the employees, customers, and the communities they operate worldwide. Their modern technologies help the customers adapt, evolve, and win as we reimagine the future of work. Ceridian's award-winning Dayforce platform is a single solution for HCM that allows HR and business leaders to make smart decisions that create quantifiable value for their companies. It simplifies too complicated HR and operational processes companies face and applies modern technology that creates experiences employees love to use. Also, for pricing plan, they are offering the custom one, so depends on your needs, they will tailor you the offer. They have 24/7 live support and also the online support, as you can see. They are working on Android and iOS, and it's really enjoyable to work with them. I would say Ceridian made the best effort to create this software. You can go to solutions like retail, manufacturing, healthcare, financial services, public sector, professional and business services, sports entertainment, and other industries. You can basically learn more about them on their website. I very much like it, way more than Workday, I have to say. And as they claim, they are trying to make everything as not complicated as possible. So if you are looking for some human capital management softwares, I would really go with Ceridian, at least at this moment. So they are giving you even chances with demos. You just get you can just get started. You give them your initials and you can try it. Then you can consult with the online services if that's the one for you, and if you decide it's easy to get by. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions for which one is better or more questions about these two, please leave them in the comment section underneath this video. So thank you very much and see you on the next one.